Hello, world. Brian here, sharing some thoughts from the road. Same job, different uniform. Load, locate, deliver, record, repeat. Hopefully, we learn something together, or at least kill some time. Route 10, heading back north now. This road runs from Huntington all the way down through the southern coalfields, Logan, Chapmanville, Omar, all the way to the Virginia line if you stay on it long enough. It's not a highway, it's not trying to be. It just threads through the mountains the way the mountains let it and connects everything that would otherwise be separate. Every person who ever made a living moving things through southern West Virginia has driven some version of this road. The Union organizers in 1921 driving between camps trying to keep 10,000 miners pointed in the same direction. The mail carrier working the Logan County rural routes. The spark driver chasing the last delivery before dark. Every one of them on the same asphalt, following the same ridgeline, going home the same way. I've been all of those people at some point, different uniforms, same road. There's something about heading back after you've been somewhere real. The drive out is all anticipation, and what's down here, what does it look like? Is it worth the gas? The drive back is different, quieter. You've got the answer now, and you're just carrying it home. Today, the answer is yes, it was worth it. Big, ugly creek is real and beautiful. The Redneck Army's country is still standing. The guy in Dot is still running. Southern Logan County doesn't need me to tell it it matters. It knows. Route 10 brought me out here and it'll bring me back. That's what roads do. They don't care who's on them. They just run through everything, same as they always have, same as they always will. Thank you for riding with me. We are in this together. Keep going.